Imagine a world where the volatility of crypto trading is tamed. That's the world CME Group is creating with their innovative approach to marketing interest rates for crypto trading. Welcome to the financial universe of the CME Group, the world's leading and most diverse derivatives marketplace. With roots dating back to the Chicago Butter and Egg Board in 1898, the CME Group has grown into a global finance titan. It offers the widest range of global benchmark products across all major asset classes, including futures and options based on interest rates. But what exactly are interest rates, and why are they so crucial in the world of crypto trading? At its core, an interest rate is essentially the cost of borrowing money. It's the price tag put on the risk a lender takes when they loan out their funds. In the context of crypto trading, interest rates can affect the value of cryptocurrencies, influencing the decisions traders make. Why? Well, let's say interest rates rise. This could make traditional investments like bonds more attractive, potentially leading investors to pivot away from the riskier world of cryptocurrencies. Conversely, if interest rates fall, cryptocurrencies could become more appealing, as the potential returns from traditional investments decrease. But how does the CME Group fit into all this? As a marketplace for interest rate derivatives, the CME Group is a significant player in setting these rates. It's a place where traders can speculate on future interest rate movements or hedge their risks against unpredictable shifts. By offering products based on interest rates, the CME Group provides a platform for investors to navigate the often turbulent waters of crypto trading. To put it simply, the CME Group is like a lighthouse guiding traders through the stormy seas of crypto markets. By marketing interest rates, they create a link between the traditional world of finance and the emerging digital economy, helping to bring a sense of stability to the notoriously volatile world of crypto trading. Now that we have a basic understanding of CME Group and interest rates, delve deeper into how these interest rates are marketed for crypto trading. CME Group has taken a unique approach to marketing interest rates for crypto trading. It's all about creating stability in a notoriously unstable market. In the Wild West of cryptocurrency trading, CME Group has emerged as a sheriff, bringing order to the chaos. Its unique strategy for marketing interest rates is the backbone of this transformation. But how exactly does it work? CME Group uses a method known as interest rate futures. In essence, this allows traders to lock in a particular interest rate for a future date. It's a bit like reserving a hotel room months in advance to secure a lower price. This strategy creates an environment of predictability, a rare commodity in the crypto world. This strategy is not just about stability, though. It also opens up opportunities for savvy traders. By locking in an interest rate, traders can effectively bet on the future direction of rates. If they predict correctly, they can achieve substantial returns. It's a high-stakes game, but one that can be incredibly rewarding for those who play it well. CME Group further fortifies this stability by offering a wide range of interest rate products. This includes everything from short-term rates for those looking to make quick trades to long-term rates for those playing the long game. This diversity ensures there's something for every type of trader. Another key part of CME Group's strategy is transparency. They provide comprehensive data on interest rate trends, allowing traders to make informed decisions. This open approach helps build trust and encourages participation, further bolstering market stability. Finally, CME Group uses its influence to advocate for fair and balanced regulations. They understand that for the crypto market to mature, it needs a solid regulatory framework. By pushing for sensible rules, they help create a safer, more reliable environment for traders. CME Group's approach to marketing interest rates has revolutionized crypto trading, but what does this mean for traders? Well, it means they can navigate this volatile market with a bit more confidence and perhaps a bit more profit in their pockets. So let's delve deeper into the impact on traders. Crypto trading is a high-stakes game. CME Group's approach to marketing interest rates has significant implications for traders. Imagine the world of crypto trading as a vast ocean, with each trader a ship navigating the choppy waters, trying to reach their destination, profitability. The interest rates set by the CME Group can be compared to the winds that guide these ships. When the winds are favorable, traders can reach their destinations faster and with less effort. But when the winds are unfavorable, even the most seasoned traders may find themselves off course. Let's delve into the potential benefits first. When the CME Group markets interest rates that are low, it essentially cheapens the cost of borrowing. For traders who rely on leverage or borrowed capital to amplify their trading positions, this can be a windfall. Lower interest rates mean lower borrowing costs, which can lead to higher profit margins. By the same token, low interest rates can stimulate market activity, leading to increased liquidity and potentially more opportunities for profit. However, just as the sea isn't always calm, the world of crypto trading isn't always smooth sailing. There are risks associated with interest rates too. When interest rates are high, the cost of borrowing increases. This can eat into profit margins and make leveraged trading less attractive. Furthermore, higher interest rates can lead to decreased market activity, potentially making it more difficult for traders to enter or exit positions at their desired price points. And let's not forget, the interest rates set by CME Group don't just affect crypto traders in isolation, they have a ripple effect on the broader financial market. Changes in interest rates can influence investor sentiment and market volatility, both of which can have a profound impact on the crypto market. So, CME Group's marketing of interest rates offers both opportunities and challenges for crypto traders. But how can traders make the most of these opportunities? Stay tuned as we navigate these waters together in the next segment. CME Group's marketing of interest rates is a game changer. But to win the game, traders need to adapt their strategies. How, you ask? Let's explore some suggestions. First and foremost, knowledge is power. It's crucial for traders to stay informed about the latest trends, news, and updates in the world of crypto trading. This includes understanding how the CME Group markets interest rates and the effects it can have on your trades. Regularly checking reputable news sources, subscribing to newsletters, and following influential figures in the industry are all ways to stay in the loop. Next, let's talk about making calculated decisions. Trading, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, is not a guessing game. Every move should be the result of careful consideration and analysis. This means studying market trends, understanding the impact of interest rates on crypto prices, and using this information to inform your trading decisions. One strategy that can be particularly useful is diversification. By spreading your investments across various cryptocurrencies, you can potentially mitigate risk. If one cryptocurrency takes a hit due to changes in interest rates, others may not be as affected, balancing out your overall portfolio. Timing is also essential in crypto trading. Interest rates can fluctuate throughout the day, and these fluctuations can have significant impacts on crypto prices. By carefully timing your trades, you can potentially take advantage of these fluctuations to maximize your profits. Lastly, don't forget to reassess your strategies regularly. The world of crypto trading is fast-paced and ever-changing. What works today may not work tomorrow. Regular reassessment allows you to adapt your strategies to the current market conditions, keeping you one step ahead of the game. By adapting their strategies, traders can navigate the new landscape of crypto trading that CME Group's marketing of interest rates has created. It's a brave new world out there, and with the right strategies, you can conquer it. CME Group's marketing of interest rates for crypto trading is just the beginning. The world of crypto trading is evolving rapidly. As we wrap up our discussion today, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered. We've delved deep into how CME Group markets interest rates and the profound impact this has on the world of cryptocurrency trading. We've explored how this market mechanism influences traders, from seasoned professionals to those just dipping their toes in the crypto pool. And we've highlighted some effective strategies traders can employ to navigate this dynamic landscape. But what does the future hold? With the relentless pace of change in the crypto world, that's a question on many minds. The potential future implications of CME Group's marketing of interest rates for the crypto trading market are as vast as they are exciting. As traditional financial markets and the emerging world of cryptocurrencies increasingly intertwine, we could see a ripple effect on global economies. As more institutional investors venture into crypto trading, the demand for products like CME Group's interest rate markets is likely to skyrocket. This could lead to even more sophisticated mechanisms for trading, hedging, and risk management. But remember, with great potential comes great volatility. The crypto market is notorious for its wild price swings. While CME Group's interest rate markets can provide some level of predictability, they are not a magic bullet. Traders must continue to stay informed, adaptable, and always be prepared for the unexpected. In the face of all these changes, one thing remains certain: education is paramount. With new developments constantly on the horizon, staying abreast of the latest trends, tools, and strategies is not just beneficial, it's essential. As the crypto trading landscape continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable is key. And remember, in the world of crypto trading, the only constant is change. So, let's embrace the change, and let's continue to learn, adapt, and thrive in this fascinating world of crypto trading. Thank you for watching until the end. Your support truly means a great deal to us. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them in the comments section. Additionally, if you enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up. Click the like button. This sends a signal to YouTube that there's interest in this video, helping it reach a wider audience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the crypto market. Thanks once more, and stay tuned for more exciting content.